Modbus Commnunication simulation. Firstly, customer need to check the wiring. At the side of the inverter, we have Modbus terminal. Customer need to prepare a converter to convert RS485 signal to USB. Connect A plus B minus to the converter. And the converter connect to the USB port of a laptop. Okay, now we set the parameter in the inverter firstly. We set F203 set to 10. It means the main frequency sources come from the Modbus. And then we set the Modbus communication parameter, F900, set to 1. This is the communication address is 1. And F01 set to 2. It means RTU mode. F902 set to 2 is the stop bit. F903 set to 0 is no parity. F904 set to 3 is baud rate, set means 9600. Okay, after this parameter is setting finished, we need to set the PC software, Eura DV. Create a project, E2100. Then we have this communication settings screen. Firstly, it's the same as what we have set in inverter. F900 set to 1 is the device address set to 1. 901 set to 2 is RTU mode. And 902 set to 2 is the stop bit. And 903 is no parity. 904 is baud rate. And then click link. It's connected successfully. Then customer can use this PC software to operate the inverter. Press run. The motor is running. Press stop. It's a decelerate stop. And then customer can click scan to read all the motor parameter. So we can see the current, voltage, output frequency, and status of I/O terminal. Okay, now we read the target speed. It's 15 Hz. Now we change it to 30 Hz. Okay, and inverter is also changed its target frequency. So if the changing is not successful, customer need to check whether he has set F203 equal to 10.